So I mentioned a few 5 reasons why I love trading, and the final reason is the most important one, okay? So the first reason on why I love trading, I don't know whether it's genetic factors, environmental factors, but I have a strong passion for the financial markets. Like, I just love reading about and studying about stocks, bonds, currencies, economics. So I have interest in these things, but if you tell me to study something other than this, like for example, civil engineering, okay, I've studied it before. I didn't really like it. I studied it just for the exams, just to pass the exams. That's why I always say that if you're here just for the money, then it's very hard for you to, progress, because imagine if you're competing with somebody who has a passion for trading, investing, and you have to force yourself to learn. So who do you think is gonna last longer? You already know that, okay? Second reason, it rewards you for your hard work. Like, it wouldn't go to like waste overnight. Like for example, if you put in a lot of time, money, okay, on gold diggers. I mean, your girlfriend and boyfriend who loves you, you put in all that time, effort, money, energy into him or her, and one day he or she just be like, just like that, gone, all gone. But if you put in hard work into trading, I'm not saying that it's going to guarantee that you're going to make money, but what I'm saying is that eventually, give it a couple of years, you learn from the right people, you learn from your mistakes, it's going to reward you. Like if you work in a 9 to 5 job, example, you be loyal to your boss for 40 years, then after 40 years, some young dude or girl comes and be like, I'm gonna accept a lower salary than him, take me in, kick him or her out. As a CEO or a boss, you wanna save money. You're gonna hire the younger girl or guy, right? Third reason, when you become a trader, you have time freedom. Yes, you need to be at your desk, put in a lot of hard work to research the market and then backtest and all that stuff, right? But then, when you have to take a break, I don't care whether it's a physical break or mental break, you can just take it anytime you want. You don't need to be like, boss, can I please? And then your boss be like, if you don't want this job, then maybe this job is not suitable for you. You got to decide when you want to spend time with your family. You got to decide how you want to organize your schedule. And if you're a swing trader or long-term trader, like position trader, you don't have to stare at the screen the whole time, just like scalpers and certain day traders. So that leaves you more time to do other things like read books and go to the gym and then swim. I would say this is the best perk about being a trader, because you don't have to go out early in the morning and jam with other people, especially at this time, COVID time. You don't want to be with the crowd. And then if you want to go shopping on a weekday, you just go. And the crowd is not there. And in the weekends, while everybody else is going out shopping, you can choose to stay at home because you know that you can shop on the weekdays. Fourth reason, now this is a more technical reason, but it's still very important. Being a trader allows you to not only train your analytical thinking skills, critical thinking skills, but also it forces you to learn about how the whole world works, how the world economy works. Like, you're gonna learn the economy of your country, the economy of the whole entire world. Basically, you're gonna learn economics. And this is an important subject because even if you're not an economist, you're not a trader, investor, when you do normal things like you wanna vote, okay, for somebody, and when this politician talks about inflation, GDP, employment data, GDP growth rates, GDP per capita, if you don't know what they're talking about, how do you vote for them? And also, how do you know whether they're talking bullshit or not? And even if you don't vote, inflation is going to affect you one way or another. It forces you to understand economics, but also personal finance, because being a trader, you need to know how to calculate numbers, okay? And most importantly, it trains you to think in terms of risk reward. Ever since I became a trader, I realized that in every decision I make, doesn't matter if it's a business decision or personal life decision, I always think in terms of risk to reward. Is it worth the risk to do this when there's only one benefit, but the risk is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? The risk to reward just doesn't make sense. Agree with me? When you become a trader, you understand what I'm talking about. The fifth reason, you don't have to talk to anybody. Don't have to talk to anybody. And when I'm at home with my computer, with my laptop, with my books, it just feels safe. In everything, there's a blessing in disguise. Because imagine if I'm an extrovert who likes to go clubbing and then party all the time. Like, I cannot survive if I don't talk to people today. If I'm like that, I probably wouldn't stay at home as much. Like the charts trading doesn't care who you are, the color of your skin, the way you look like. It just rewards you for how much work you put in, which is what I like about trading. Now I want to know, why do you love trading? Let me know down in the comment section below and I will check out your comments, okay? So with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.